Ooh, look at that, y'all. I'm gonna get a little light on there for you. That's a 1650 kV motor from HOBBYWING. That's a Max6 ESC. And it's the first run with this bad boy today. It's like, what is it? 1:53 in the morning, and I'm a child and I couldn't wait to do this, so we're gonna get a quick run. Oh, that's on my noggin. We're gonna get a quick run. It's got the 25 tooth pinion gear and the stock spur with the diff and everything. I did get a spool, but I need a gear that should be here in a couple days, but we ain't gonna worry about that right now. Y'all notice there's no fan on the motor right now, so I probably won't go too hard. Yes, I will. And I also forgot my temp gun. But since I was out here the other day, I want to get at least an idea of how it feels and get some speeds and all that. And track, start. Oh, it's wet right now. Some cold tires. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I'm a little afraid. For one, it's wet now. Two, oftentimes when I do something new to an RC, something goes wrong. Something with the driving aspect. Basically what I'm saying is I need a driver mod. Since I got my feet off the ground. That was scary. Okay, this is definitely faster. Granted, it is geared up higher, but it's a lower kV. But that was actually kind of scary. It felt faster. We'll see. That was just a blip too. Oof. Ooh. Oof. Y'all, hold on. Stop. Read. That's not right. We're gonna do that again, because that did not do 118 miles an hour. stop, read, 60. There we go. Okay. Yeah. So with the 2050 and the 150 on the stock setup, I was able to hold it for a second and hit that 60. This is just a blip. That's terrifying. So basically, I've got same speeds, but it's violent. All right, let's do that one more time. Start. Stop, read, 64. Yeah, so it's definitely, I told you it was faster. I think if I hold this flat out, it'll do about 75 to 80 with with the current setup. There's not enough room for that out here. I actually like how it sounds too. So this is the speed pinion in. So this is the stock speed pinion, which with this setup, I think that's gonna be my bashing pinion. These GRP tires. That was dangerous. I was sitting here thinking the other day, though, I think I have the hand brake, the actual brake itself, I think I have it backwards. This thing, well, what's these tires look like? Still a good, plenty of tread on there. So the GRPs are better than the Hoons. I said what I said. yeah, I'm happy that I made the decision to go with the 1650 kV. I can't think of any good reason right now as I'm driving laps with this that I shouldn't have went with something, or that I should have went with something different. I almost went with the 1100 kV, but I'd have to do too much. I'd have to get a new mount, I'd have to reverse the motor, which is easy stuff other than money. Shit. Damn it. Like I said, other than money. Oh, well, we need a new splitter on here anyway. Probably before we do any actual speed runs. Alright, that's a good little shakedown of this though. First run, 1650 kV. That'll do. I don't have my temp gun, so I can't get a proper test of everything. And I really just did that because I'm a child and I wanted to drive this thing. And I got it all dirty in the process. So now that means I gotta clean it. Let's feel that motor. Yeah, it don't care. I'm a baby with heat. This is a horrible test for temperatures, y'all. Like the whole, if you can hold your finger on it for 5 seconds, it's stupid. Get a temp gun and then bring it with you. ESC is still cold. So, yeah, I could gear this up probably a couple more teeth and actually just hoon around with it. So basically, yeah, I can hoon around with this thing 70, 80 miles an hour. And then the goal will be to throw the spool in with a different gear and hit 100. So I think we're on the right track.